Here in the Manage tab, under Additional Settings, you can change, modify, or create your own line styles, line weights, and line patterns. So let's say for line styles, you see here different kinds of lines that you're able to use. So you can create a line style by simply creating a new one. So I've created here a new one. Name it. What's the line weight? What's the color? And what's the line pattern? Once you have assigned those, you can now click on OK. And when you now go to the Annotate tab and create a detail line, you should be able to find your kind of line. Okay, too thick. All right, 16. That's why it's not showing the dash line anymore. But anyway, I like it bold anyway. So just delete that. Go back to the Manage tab under Additional Settings. You can also create your line weight pattern or table. So here at scale 1 to 10, number 1, pen weight would be 0.05. It's a very thin pen weight, so it go across even at scale 1 to 500. But as you move upward, let's say pen number 13, at scale 110 will print as 6.5. 6.5, it gets smaller as the scale goes bigger. Okay. So you can create your own pattern as well here, or schedule for line weights. And then for line patterns, you can create your own. Unfortunately, you cannot create one with the letter or a name within the text. You need to create a family line weight that will do that. Here, if you create a new one, let's just say RN, you can place here a line type. Is it a dash or a dot? And then how long will that dash be? A dot is simply drawn as a 1.5 point long dash, but you can just say dot. So dash, let's say 2 mm, and then you add a space of, let's say, 1 mm, and then you add maybe a dot. Okay, so no need to place anything there, and then a space of 2 mm, and then let's just say another dash, okay, of, sorry, this should be just 1 mm, and let's say 2 mm, and space of 1 mm, and maybe another dash. So let's just make it different. Okay, dash of 2 mm, and then space of 1 mm, and then let's just say we go back to the dot. Okay, click OK. So I guess you need a, go in here and oh, you must have a space after every defined line. Yeah, oh, I forgot a space here. That's what I forgot. Click OK and click OK. So again, if I go back to my Annotate tab, Detail line, okay, that's my RN. But before I do that, I need to manage my line style. or RN and select here the new line pattern that I've created. Click OK. Let's change that again so we can see 16 is too thick. So additional line style lines. Let's just make this a bit thinner. Let's say just 2 and apply. Click OK. There you go. You have your dash, a dot, double dash, a dot, a dash, a dot, a double dash, a dot. Then it repeats.